In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Weber in Code of the Lamb. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire the Weber follower form. For you to get Weber in Code of the Lamb, you will have to complete a certain objective related to spiders. So, during the night, at the campsite, all that you have to do is capture spiders. This may give you Weber's skull. So, capture spiders during the night at the campsite, and like I said, you will have a chance of acquiring Weber's skull. Now, with this Weber's skull in hand, all that you have to do is bury the skull in a body pit or grave, and this will spawn Weber and some spiders. Once it has been spawned, you will be able to get it as a follower form. So in summary, all that you have to do is capture spiders during the night at the campsite, and you will have a chance of getting Weber's skull. Once you acquire Weber's skull, just bury the skull in a body pit or grave, and you will be able to get it. So go over to the Code HQ, and you will be able to unlock. Obtaining Weber unlocks Penitence mode as well as a number of crossover exclusive decorations. Weber is going to be surrounded by small spiders that follow them around, and Weber has a unique follower trail named Don't Starve that prevents them from dying of starvation. It is a direct reference to the game, so don't starve, and Weber lives longer than other followers, becoming an elder at 70 to 80 years old as opposed to the normal 40 to 55 days old. And like I said, he is a complete reference or crossover to Don't Starve. He will be unlocked by burying the skull that you can acquire during nighttime in Code HQ, and you will see him spawn alongside a bunch of spiders. And this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Weber in Code of the Lamb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.